Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I say welcome, and if you can please hit the subscribe button, I will appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome, and I'm glad that you're here, and thank you for sticking with me. All right, I hope you all have been doing wonderful, and I have been doing great. So I did celebrate my birthday back in July. I've been so bad. I know I'm just getting to show you guys some of the items that I got for my birthday. And yeah, I know it's August already, but never too late, right? So before I get into some of the items that I got, I want to share quickly with you about my Hermes journey. And I did miss the call. I did get the call for my essay, my Hermes essay, and unfortunately I missed the call by like a few seconds, and I did call her back right away, but it went straight to her voicemail. So I waited another minute and called her again. It rang this time around, but of course she did not pick up, and I'm guessing she probably called somebody else. But we'll see how it plays out. If it's meant to be, it will be, and that's my faith with all this. And well, I wasn't too happy when that happened, but what can I do? So let's see how it plays out. But for today, I will share some of the items that I got for my birthday. Some of the items that I got, I did get like jewelry pieces, and also few items like scarves, shoes. I will do the unboxing. Well, not really unboxing because I already know what it is, but I will share that in a separate video. So today is just going to be about jewelry pieces that I got. So I got a few items from Bloomingdale's, and there's this jewelry brand called Roberto Coin, and I'm not new to Roberto Coin, but I don't personally own one of their jewelry pieces. My daughter does own one because she was gifted by my mother. And I really did like their jewelry, so that was why I decided to look more into some of their pieces, some of their collection, and I found a few of them that I really liked. So what better time to go ahead and purchase jewelry items when it's your birthday, right? You know, it's your birthday, that's an excuse to get yourself some of the items that you've been eyeing. So because I don't want to have this video to be too long, I'll probably do a two-part of the birthday items, birthday gift that I got. So the other item is from Cleef. I got something very small from them. I've been eyeing the Carnelian piece. So when I found out they had the Sweethearts pendant when it was available online, because usually it would say order by phone, but when I saw that you could order it online, I just was like, well, I guess it's meant to be. So I went ahead to order that. So let me stop rambling and get to the unboxing of my birthday gift. So Roberto Coin. If you guys have tried Roberto Coin jewelry, can you comment down and let me know what you think about it? So it's made out of 18 karat gold. That's one thing I really like about this brand. And I got like the butterfly pendant. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. And one thing I really like about this pendant is the on the clasp itself, it has this ruby stone on there too. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, on the clasp, it has like a ruby stone engraved in there. So I think this is very well known to Roberto Coin. And the idea behind that is more so, let's see, there's this little booklet that it comes with, and it says Roberto Coin, the story of the ruby. So I'm just going to read a quick paragraph. It says, according to an ancient belief, wearing a ruby close to the skin promoted long life, health, and happiness. I really like this message that it came with. And you do also get a pouch, a travel pouch, I guess, to keep the jewelry, the pendant, while traveling. And this is how the box is. Comes pretty well made. So like I said, this will be my first time like trying out the jewelry pieces. If you have any of the jewelry pieces, comment down below and let me know how you like them. So this is gonna be the butterfly pendant. I just love butterfly. So when I saw, I knew I wanted a butterfly pendant. And when I saw this by Roberto, I was like, this is actually very pretty. I don't know if you can see the close-up of the details of what it has. Diamonds in there too, like 3 diamond on there. So it's really pretty on. And this particular pendant also comes with the earring set. I don't know, maybe I'll get the earring set later. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is one of the jewelry pieces that I got. And then the next one, also from Roberto Coin. This actually is a longer necklace, another necklace. Like I said, I've been eyeing a few of their pieces, and what better time to spoil yourself, right, than your birthday? So I used that excuse to go ahead and get my items that I wanted from Roberto Coin. So this is the other necklace. Now I believe this is like a 22-inch necklace. One thing, I wanted a long necklace like this for layering. I've seen a lot of layering going on lately. And mind you guys, this is made out of 18 karat gold. So it is pretty solid. It's one thing I also like about the necklace is that you could wear it as a lariat by just putting the clasps, just hooking it to one of this part, either of the O's, and just like wear it this way. Or you can wear it as a choker, you know, just wear it around your neck as a choker and just let the longer part dangle dangle on the back. So this is about 22 inches, I believe. So I mainly got it so I could layer it with this butterfly pendant and my Van Cleef piece that I got. So I'm gonna try and take a picture of me wearing it and insert it. I hope it looks good. I have that vision in my head, but I don't know how it's gonna look, but we'll see. All right, let's put that away and get to the other item. So this very item is from Van Cleef Arpels. I did order this piece online, and this will be my first Carnelian piece. And what is in here is the Carnelian Sweethearts pendant. So let's go ahead and open up this. And this will be my first time actually ordering from Van Cleef Arpels online. So this is how, oops, this is how it comes. Yeah, this is the invoice. And let me put that away. So it comes with the booklet, and I guess it's just the typical Van Cleef Arpels. What's in here? This is the certificate of authenticity as well, and let me see what's in here. I haven't opened this, guys, so this is just my first time seeing this with you as well. Okay. And what else is in here? It's a whole bunch of paper stuff, but let's just put all of that away. One thing I like that it did, they included like a small the shopping bag, which is pretty good. I mean, I guess they do that with online orders. So let's get to the fun stuff. This is how she comes, pretty packaged. And let's get to opening her. Oh, I guess it'll be easier just taking it out of the box and opening this up. Yeah. I'm excited about this, guys. Like I said, I really want to start layering my necklace, and I hope the vision that I have in my head will look good by the time I layer all these 3 pieces together. We'll see how it goes. All right, so now this comes in the rose gold. The Sweet Hearts pendant comes in the rose gold. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's pretty sealed. Just going to I hope I don't break a nail. There we go. All right, guys, I finally got the wrapping paper off. It comes in this little box, says Van Cleef Arpels. Let's open it up. And as we all know, this is what she looks like. So pretty, guys. So I really love anything that have to do with like heart shape. I'm a sucker for heart shapes. So obviously when I saw this necklace, I was like, I definitely need this. Let me get it out. Oh, I guess it's all sealed up. So let's remove all this so you can see the true details. Oh, wow. It's all sealed up in this little plastic wrap. But this is the sweet pendant. The sweetheart pendant. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, guys. So the Carnelian is so pretty. And my goal, like I said, is to layer it with this. Now this is rose gold, right? But one thing I love about Van Cleef rose gold is it's not too rosy. Like you don't get that pinkish gold. It's like a very, very subtle light pink. So you can actually, you know, you can mix and match it with like your gold jewelry without it clashing too much. Just like I have like this. I don't know if you can see it. This probably goes together easily. It looks pretty if I layer it together. But I'll try and see if I can take a picture of how it's going to look on me and then probably insert it so you can see what the vision that I have for this. Love these pieces that I got, and can't wait to start using them. So guys, yeah, let me know if you own any of the Roberto coin pieces. Like I said, this is my first time with this brand, and I'm sure I'm definitely going to like it. And yeah, that's it for now, but stay tuned. I'll have more unboxings of my other gifts in another video because I'm trying not to make this too long. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. And please, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.